Hi students, today we'll discuss literary devices of the poem My Mother. These are the literary devices which are used in this poem. The literary devices are repetition, alliteration, personification and simile. Here you see I have given some examples of these all literary devices. These all literary devices will be understanding with the help of poem. Let's start doing it. First we'll talk about repetition. What is repetition? Repetition is that poetic device when two or more words are getting repeated anywhere in the poem. It's not that only in the beginning or in the end the words are getting repeated, but anywhere. So let's see where the words my mother, these two words my and mother, are getting repeated in the poem. First in this one third line, the word my mother is written. Then in the next, it is getting repeated here. Just see, my mother. Then here in the end it's getting repeated. Then again it is getting repeated here, here and in the end. So repetition is when two or more words are getting repeated anywhere in the poem, right? So this is repetition. These are all examples. After my mother, more words are getting repeated. Next is your. This word your love, your care, your faith, this is also getting repeated. This is again repetition. The same word is repeating. As I told you now that one or two words are getting repeated. So this is only one, but it's repetition. Your. Then another example of repetition is gave and gave. This is again getting repeated. So these are all examples of repetition. Now we'll discuss about alliteration. My mother is repetition also and it's alliteration also. What is alliteration? Alliteration is when the initial consonant sound is getting repeated. When the sound of the consonants in the adjacent words is repeated. For example, my mother. M, consonant is same and sound is also same. So this is alliteration. Alright. Then other examples. To temple. Again T, sound, consonant is same and sound is also same. You remember, repetition is when the words are same. The same words are repeating. But in alliteration, only the first word, the first letter, the first consonant and the sound is same. So to temple, sound, it's getting repeated. City, citizens, sound and consonant CC getting repeated. When was, were sound, WW, first letter is same, sound is also same. This is alliteration. And in the second last line, world, without and with. They are also WW, consonant is same and sound is also same. And in the last line, we will. WW and sound both same. So these are all examples of alliteration here in the poem. Talk about simile. Here you see in this line, you come to me like heaven's caring arms. The word like has been used for making comparison. And whenever word like or as is used for comparison, for direct comparison, this is simile, right? And if you observe these groups of words, one more poetic device is used, which is personification. Personification. How it is personification? As human qualities have been given to nature. Heaven's caring arms. Arms of heaven. So natural object. This is natural object and human qualities have been given to it. So personification. In this line we have both simile and personification. So students, this is all about the poetic devices used in this poem.